Hi everybody, I'm Susan Mulvihill. Well, I'm not out in the garden today because it is just too darned hot. For those of you who aren't familiar with me or my videos, I live in Spokane, Washington, and we are in the middle of an unprecedented heat wave. Today's expected high is 111 degrees. I have never experienced that in the 40 years that I've lived in Spokane. So I'm not looking forward to it, and I'm being really smart about staying cool, staying indoors, and just forgetting about gardening. But I didn't want to forget about this week's video. We have a trail camera that we have put out in our yard on occasion just to see the types of critters that come through at night. But we're also avid bird watchers. We have 2 bird baths, and over the last couple of weeks we've been stationing the trail camera next to one or the other of them just to watch the birds that come in. So I thought it'd be fun this week to do a slideshow of the different types of birds that visit our bird baths, just to give you an idea of what's going on here in our garden. Next week I hope to do a video out in the garden, but I'm not sure if that'll happen because this heat wave is expected to go on for several more days. So if you live where you're experiencing this horrible hot weather, I hope you're staying cool and safe as well. And I hope that you'll enjoy this slideshow.